Hey folks, here's Rene with a quick video. I made a major improvement to the Mixed Reality Toolkit hand interaction sample. I added myself as a 3D scan. Isn't that fantastic? But yeah, joke aside, of course, I just wanted to show you the 3D scan I did here in action on the HoloLens too. And so yeah, pretty nicely done 3D scan, right? And so you might ask, how did I do that? Well, with nothing else than this smartphone. So this is a Samsung S20 Plus 5G, which also has a time of flight depth camera here. And that works really well. By the way, this is not sponsored. I didn't get this device from Samsung. I paid it all with my own money. But hey, Samsung, if you want to send me some test devices, feel free. Always happy to test them out, do some 3D work with it, and play around with the depth camera. And so we had a nice event over the weekend, and so I was dressed up nicely for a change. And I asked my 12-year-old actually to do the 3D scan. So basically she just walked around me with the phone, right, rotating around me. And after half a minute, we got this really nice 3D scan. I think it has like 60,000 vertices, or was it triangles? I think 60,000 triangles, something like that. And yeah, and as you can see, it's also, of course, rigged up with physics. So I could place myself here nicely and can make me really large. And so that's not creepy at all, watching my garden basically, taking care that the kids don't do any crazy stuff here. You gotta always keep an eye on them, as you know, right? And hopefully I'm not tipping, but yeah, now it's tipping. But anyway, that was it. Just wanted to show you that real quick, and thanks for watching, my friends, and see you soon. And stay safe, of course.